Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Danny, the Wicked Awesome Gardener, and I'm here with another seed haul video. It's just that time of year, the orders are coming in, and there's still a few things I need to pick up that I'm going to try to pick up locally this weekend, but if not, I may have to make another order. But I'm really excited because this pack of seeds is from Migardener, and there's lots. I can't even spread them out all out in like a fan because they're just... This is a big order for me. It might not be a big order for some people, but I have a decent amount of seeds here. And of course, lots more tomatoes because I'm addicted. I need all the tomatoes, like all of them. So I got some new varieties and we're going to add those into the tomato brackets. They're actually already counted. I did list everything up, so I think I'm at like 52 or 53 tomato varieties, and I think unless I see something really cool, that's going to be it for now, or unless I find the Migardener seed haul that I lost somehow in my move. That makes me very sad because I had like purple bumblebee and Ukrainian purple. So I'm bummed. I may have to reorder some of those, but for now, this is what we're going to work with. All right, so I don't want to make this an overlong video, and you guys want to know what's in this little hand here, so let's get right down to it. Seed haul. I don't know if this is something that's going to be a permanent thing for them, or if it's just for this year or for a limited time, but Luke did say on Facebook that they were going to start throwing in a free seed packet with your order, and my free seed, look at that, it's a really cool package. My free seed is a salad bowl mix, so I'm gonna assume that's probably lettuces and, you know, other leafy greens, so nice. Can always use more lettuce. So we'll start out with the tomatoes. I've got Tigarella because I'm obsessed with the stripy tomatoes this year. Black cherry tomatoes. Those look wicked cool. So I'm still trying to find my favorite paste tomato, and last year I tried out Amish paste and Jersey Devil, and those were still pretty great. I'm going to try those again this year, but I'm still going to try a bunch more varieties. So to that end, I got Sheboygan. They're a medium to large fruit, and I'm really looking for a large but very tasty paste tomato, just to make harvesting and processing a little bit easier instead of a bunch of, like, I'm probably never going to grow yellow pear again. They are tasty as a snack, but they're a paste tomato, so I want them for sauce, but they're so tiny. It's pain. I also got Federle tomatoes, which I think is also a paste variety. Another paste variety, a Polka. And these, I think, are supposed to be larger. So let me take a quick look. Doesn't say the size, but if I remember Luke's videos, they weren't small. Another paste variety, the Pink Oxheart. And then one more tomato to cap off this order. See, my whole order isn't tomatoes. But my last one is Gold Medal. Now this might be one of my favorite tomatoes now. I picked up a Gold Medal plant at a local nursery, Marini Farms in Ipswich, Massachusetts, if anybody happens to be up there. Great place to visit, lots of fun, not just the farm stand, but they've got all sorts of like farm-themed rides and activities. It's pretty cool. But I picked up a Gold Medal, I grew it in my garden, and it was one of the most flavorful tomatoes that I had all year. So I definitely had to get seeds when I saw that Migardener had them in their store, because I didn't get a chance actually to bag the Gold Medal and save the seed from it. So we're gonna be able to grow it this year, woohoo! I haven't had much luck in growing melons, so I'm trying to stick to the small personal sized melons. So when I saw these, I mean, they look pretty cool, and they are the Tigger melons. Look at those. I nanny, and the kids that I nanny for, they wanted to grow some melon, and so I figured we'd do some fun ones, and I don't know if we're gonna get any this time, but we're gonna try. But the Tigger melons looked fun, sounded fun for them. They're like, Tigger melons? Yes. I have discovered through gardening my love of eggplant, so I still have to pick up some more Rosa Bianca seeds. I have Black Beauty. I have the mini patio baby seeds that I saved a couple years ago, and yes, that was an F1 hybrid, but I figured why not save the seed and see what comes down the pike. But I wanted to get a new variety this year, so I picked up Casper. So I'm going to grow the white eggplants. I've been resisting these for a couple of years, but I can't anymore. Everybody else seems to love them so much, so now I have to try them. Plus my nanny kids are going to get a kick out of these tiny little things. We got cucamelons. So that is the Mexican sour gherkin, and I don't know what they taste like, but they're little grape size, like cucumber, like watermelon looking things, and I'm gonna give them a try. I've never actually had one. Another cucumber, I got Boston pickling because I'm growing these in my friend's garden for her. I'm growing a whole bunch of tomatoes, paste tomatoes over there, some cucumbers, some jalapenos, all the things that she needs for her canning obsession, and then we're going to share the spoils since she really doesn't have the time to garden, and so I'm going to grow things. I need a space to grow. She needs produce to process just because she just loves canning, so that's going to be a very wonderful deal between the two of us. So we'll take care of that. Okay, now I have a couple of carrots. I've got Black Nebula and the Rainbow Mix. So again, this is a purchase partially for my nanny kids. I have plenty of carrot seeds for like Danvers 126 and Short and Sweets. That's plenty for me, but I wanted to try some of these other colors and I wanted to make it fun for them. So they're very excited for their purple and rainbow carrots. I needed peas. I still need more peas because I need some sugar snaps. But the spring blush are just so pretty, I couldn't resist. And last but not least, I got myself some more Velvet Queen sunflowers. Now, this was a mistake order because I didn't realize that I already had bought some Velvet Queen sunflowers locally. Now, I love these, and hopefully I'm going to get some sunflowers this year. Like, please, oh please, oh please. The bunnies ate them all last year except for one plant that struggled all year to flower and finally did, and it was so pretty and so worth it, but it was really stunted by the bunnies eating it back down to the ground like 4 or 5 times in a row. It's terrible. So very resilient plant, and I was going to save the seeds from it, but the birds and squirrels got to it before I did. But this was an accidental buy because I forgot when I ordered these that I had already, when Home Depot brought in their seeds so early, right before Christmas, that I already went on a bit of a seed buying spree, and I had bought some Velvet Queen sunflower seeds already. So I'm going to spread those around a little bit. There is a holiday on May 1st called International Sunflower Guerrilla Gardening Day. I'm going to take this pack of Velvet Queen sunflower seeds and I'm going to sow them in random places around the town, like next to utility poles and things like that. Just so they just crop up in a random place and kind of give people something to look at and smile at. So, you know what? I'm going to let you guys go with that message. Do something out in the world today that makes people smile, if for no other reason than we need a little bit more joy in our lives. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down in the box, and subscribe if you're not already. I'm really excited. I've set a new goal to hit 2,000 subscribers by my birthday. That is June 24th, and I think we're well on our way there. So that would be a really awesome birthday present, but we're also big time zeroing in on those watch hours, and that's really started to pick up as the gardening season is getting going. So I would love to continue that trend. If you guys want to go back, check out some of my older videos like seed starting, transplanting, topping peppers, growing carrots. There's all sorts of cool tips and tricks in my videos, so go ahead, watch those, and I will see you in our next video, which I think is going to be an update on my MIG Grow Off 5-gallon container that I'm growing inside under lights. And I will see you then. Bye-bye.